Hello everyone, myself Vikrant. I joined to Evision Technoserve Private Limited for the System Engineer program, and in after completion the program I placed in the iSource Technology Private Limited and feel truly excited to share that I have uh, been selected for the role of the system engineer, and this is the big milestone in my journey, and I want to sincerely thank you to my uh, teachers and placement colleagues. This achievement is not just mine, and it reflects the collaborative effort and encouragement and learning environment we have all been part of that in Evision. I look forward to stepping into the new phase and confidence that commitment I hope to make everyone proud. Thank you.